Hey guys, how's it going? How to set parental controls on Amazon Prime Video. So sign in to your Amazon Prime. Click on your account name in the upper right corner and select your account. In the account settings, look for parental control. Enable parental control by creating a 4-digit PIN, and then select the age restrictions for content you wish to block. Make sure to save your settings. Now, content that exceeds the set restrictions will require the PIN to access. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.